Good morning, and let's begin with the top 5 stocks that you need to keep an eye out on in today's trading session. Well, we begin then with Dishman Carbogen, that's in focus on the back of its numbers. Well, the consolidated loss for the quarter gone by came in at 21 crore rupees. This is versus a profit of about 34.3 crores. The income from operations stood at 475 crore rupees, and you had this versus a figure of about 501 crores. The reported EBITDA shrunk to 43 crore rupees versus 119 crores, with margins dwindling to 19% versus 23% on a year-on-year basis. So pretty disappointing set of numbers from Dishman Carbogen. Moving on then, do remember Bharat Dynamics was a stock that was in focus yesterday, and that was largely on the back of the OFS, where the government was looking to sell about 15% stake in the counter. Well, the OFS has gotten off to a smooth start. It was a 900 crore rupee OFS which was reserved for institutional investors, and that was oversubscribed about 1.4 times. Remember, the government is selling 2.74 crore shares of Bharat Dynamics at a floor price of 330 rupees. It got a good response, and the government has now decided to exercise the green shoe option. The retail investors get a chance to bid with a discount of 20 rupees. And remember, this is the second OFS that has been announced in the current fiscal. You also had the government, which has set that divestment target of 2.10 lakh crores, which they're looking to meet via these divestments. So we understand that it has been a good response, a 15% total OFS of the total paid up capital of equity share as on June 20th. Meantime, Tata Motors in focus, and you've got HSBC, which has upgraded the stock to buy with a 200 rupee target price. They say they expect a reasonable reduction in the net debt over FY22. The company is leaner, focused and more profitable, says HSBC, and they believe the JLR's cost cutting is a base case, while volume recovery will see upside risk. The recovery in the M&HCV industry in India could create significant value for the company. Watch out for ICICI Pru, an improving trend in their month-on-month numbers as the new business premiums stand at 892 crores versus 849 crores just last month. The APE growth is on a year-on-year basis is lower by 23% versus 31%, and the APE stands at 494 crores versus 441 crores. So month-on-month up 12%. And Fortis Healthcare on the brokerage radar. IDFC has initiated coverage with an outperform rating on the stock and a target price at 170. They say that it has a unique business model, strategic hospital locations, and the business is poised for a turnaround. In fact, they see a healthy growth outlook and attractive valuations. Fortis Healthcare, according to IDFC, is undergoing a consolidation phase and has sharp focus on controlling their overheads.